初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
我感觉不舒服。
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
我发烧了。
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
我头疼。
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
我喉咙痛。
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts.
我胃疼。
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts.
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
我咳嗽。
I have a cough.
I have a cough.
I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
我流鼻涕。
I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
我感觉很累。
I feel very tired.
I feel very tired.
I have trouble breathing.
I have trouble breathing.
我呼吸困难。
I have trouble breathing.
I have trouble breathing.
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
我感觉头晕。
I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
I have chest pain.
I have chest pain.
我胸口疼。
I have chest pain.
I have chest pain.
I have back pain.
I have back pain.
我背疼。
I have back pain.
I have back pain.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
我感觉恶心。
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
我需要看医生。
I need to see a doctor.
I need to see a doctor.
Is the doctor available?
Is the doctor available?
医生有空吗？
Is the doctor available?
Is the doctor available?
Do I need an appointment?
Do I need an appointment?
我需要预约吗？
Do I need an appointment?
Do I need an appointment?
I need to see a dentist.
I need to see a dentist.
我需要看牙医。
I need to see a dentist.
I need to see a dentist.
I want to see an eye doctor.
I want to see an eye doctor.
我想看眼科医生。
I want to see an eye doctor.
I want to see an eye doctor.
I have an allergy.
I have an allergy.
我有过敏。
I have an allergy.
I have an allergy.
I feel cold and hot.
I feel cold and hot.
我感觉忽冷忽热。
I feel cold and hot.
I feel cold and hot.
I have a rash.
I have a rash.
我有皮疹。
I have a rash.
I have a rash.
I have a cut.
I have a cut.
我有个伤口。
I have a cut.
I have a cut.
I have an injury.
I have an injury.
我受伤了。
I have an injury.
I have an injury.
I need some medicine.
I need some medicine.
我需要一些药。
I need some medicine.
I need some medicine.
Do I need an X-ray?
Do I need an X-ray?
我需要拍 X 光吗？
Do I need an X-ray?
Do I need an X-ray?
Do I need a blood test?
Do I need a blood test?
我需要验血吗？
Do I need a blood test?
Do I need a blood test?
How serious is it?
How serious is it?
情况有多严重？
How serious is it?
How serious is it?
What should I do?
What should I do?
我该怎么办？
What should I do?
What should I do?
How long will it take to heal?
How long will it take to heal?
多久能痊愈？
How long will it take to heal?
How long will it take to heal?
Can I go to work?
Can I go to work?
我可以去上班吗？
Can I go to work?
Can I go to work?
Should I stay at home?
Should I stay at home?
我应该待在家里吗？
Should I stay at home?
Should I stay at home?
Do I need antibiotics?
Do I need antibiotics?
我需要抗生素吗？
Do I need antibiotics?
Do I need antibiotics?
How often should I take this medicine?
How often should I take this medicine?
这要多久吃一次？
How often should I take this medicine?
How often should I take this medicine?
Before or after meals?
Before or after meals?
饭前还是饭后？
Before or after meals?
Before or after meals?
Can I drink alcohol with this medicine?
Can I drink alcohol with this medicine?
吃这药能喝酒吗？
Can I drink alcohol with this medicine?
Can I drink alcohol with this medicine?
How many days should I rest?
How many days should I rest?
我需要休息几天？
How many days should I rest?
How many days should I rest?
Do I need a follow-up visit?
Do I need a follow-up visit?
我需要复诊吗？
Do I need a follow-up visit?
Do I need a follow-up visit?
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
谢谢医生。
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
I feel better now.
I feel better now.
我现在感觉好多了。
I feel better now.
I feel better now.
I will come back if I get worse.
I will come back if I get worse.
如果恶化，我会再来。
I will come back if I get worse.
I will come back if I get worse.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。